Good afternoon.
So, shall we start?
Yes.
So, a very warm good afternoon to everyone present here. On behalf of Guru Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy, Yamunanagar, I extend my heartfelt greetings to the respected Principal Sir, esteemed resource person Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi, our faculty members, and all the participants joining us today. Today's program is a significant academic initiative organized in association with Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Government of India, Nagpur. And we are delighted to welcome you all to this online workshop on intellectual property right, patent and design filing. Today, we are deeply honored to have with us distinguished and highly accomplished expert in the field of intellectual property right, Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi, Assistant Controller of Patent and Design, Patent Office, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Sir, we extend our warmest welcome to you. I welcome you, sir. So, in today's world, innovation lies at the heart of progress and understanding how to protect, file, and manage intellectual property, which has become essential for researchers, academicians, startups, and professionals. This workshop aims to provide a deep insight into patent filing process, design registration, and the overall landscape of IPR in India, empowering our students and faculty to translate ideas into safeguard innovation. So, before proceeding further, I would like to introduce our speaker of the day, Dr. Suryavanshi. He brings with him an exceptional professional journey of more than 20 years in the central government, serving in multiple capacities within the Indian Patent Office. His contribution have played a vital role in strengthening India's IPR framework. Academically, Dr. Bharat and Suryavanshi possess an exceptional and diverse scholarly background. He holds a PhD on bioefficiency and phytochemical studies on medicinal plant from Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marthwada University, Maharashtra, along with an MPhil on plasmid profile of proteolytic lactic acid bacteria from Gulbarga University, Karnataka. He further completed his post graduation in the biotechnology from Gulbarga University, and his foundational schooling was from prestigious Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bidar. Dr. Suryavanshi has made significant contributions to the field through numerous national and international research publications. He has delivered a wide range of expert lectures on intellectual property right across India and has been selected for advancing training in Tokyo, Japan, focusing on IPR examination and related issues. Notably, Sir has gained national recognition for delivering a landmark decision by rejecting Pfizer patent application for an arthritis drug in India. An outstanding example of
Yes,
scientific
sir, we'll
rigor,
talk at 1:30.
legal clarity, and ethical patent evaluation. Sir, we are truly privileged to have you with us. So, without any further ado, I request Sir to please take over the stage. Sir, the virtual stage is all yours.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I also welcome you all for the IPR session. May I know the participants? How many have joined?
Sir, actually, the program
Classroom?
is streamlined on the YouTube.
Yes, yes, no problem, no problem. That's
Yes,
what I'm asking because less. Oh,
yes.
anyhow, congrats to you all for your conducting IPR program.
Thank you,
And
sir.
we are here to make you understand what is intellectual property, how to convert your idea into invention, or if you're having any project, how to convert to an invention, and how to file in the government of India by sharing my slides. Are you able to see my screen? Anyone, please?
Yes,
Ma'am?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
You can see my first slide. I have shown something lightning or blooming in the mind. It means I want to make you understand that the product of mind is called intellectual property. Now, the question may arise, what may be the product? For example, if you are getting idea to write the book on AI, the idea to write the book is arising from your mind, therefore it's an intellectual property, you can claim for the copyright. Or somebody is developing biodiesel to tackle the problem of petrol and diesel. So idea to develop the biodiesel is arising from your mind, therefore the product of mind is called intellectual property. Let us see one example. In December 2019, we heard about the coronavirus. At the time, we are not having any vaccines nor proper treatment method. Even though scientists all over the world studied what is coronavirus, what is their molecular structure, and in the middle of 2020, we got Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik. What is it again? Problem came, someone thought, did the research, and they are given solution to technical problem in the form of vaccine composition. Again, new idea, product of mind, that's called intellectual property. I'll give another example to make you understand. At present, we being in pharma, we know there is no herbal medicine for the cancer. At present, we are having chemotherapy and allopathy. We know how much side effects by giving the chemotherapy. By keeping all these side effects, somebody from pharma or any botany fellow or any scientist, any common man is trying to give herbal medicine or herbal composition for the cancer. What is this new idea which arise from your mind to give solution to technical problem? That's called an intellectual property. I hope you might be getting what is intellectual property. I'll give another example to make you understand. We know during Corona, sabne bola kada pio kada. What is that kada? Kada is the composition of all the medicinal plants, but no one has claimed the kada composition comprising so and so much, having so and so efficacy for treatment of respiratory tract infection. If really would have shown more efficacy as compared to the public domain, public documents, then definitely would have thought up or somebody would have thought up. So any idea that arises from your mind is called intellectual property. Now you let us see how this property arises. When you are in the classroom with your teachers, professors, or students, sitting alone or in a group of people, or in the laboratory or doing research, during that you may get solution technical problem. For example, we are in the laboratory working on the medicinal plants. So we know many shampoos, being highly educated, being a pharma fellow, we are using different kind of shampoo. Why? Somebody using Vatika, Sunslick, Doe, Vedic, Mamarth, Wow. Many shampoos are there. Why you are using? We don't know. Simply some hero heroines are giving advertisements. We are using, or we know the content of that, or we know the effect that we don't know. Simply are using. Even though we are sitting together in the group of people in the staff room with all the pharma fellow who are working in the medicinal chemistry, and we are trying to develop improved herbal shampoo composition for treatment for dandruff treatment. So if your components are new, if your medicinal plants what you're selecting is new with new effect, new efficacy, more, then definitely no one can stop you from getting the patent for your improved herbal shampoo composition for treatment dandruff, because you are creating something new shampoo which is giving more clinical efficacy. But you are supposed to do, then there's during discussion also, during sitting together also, you can get solution to a technical problem. You know, Nagpur is too hot, Telangana is too hot, Vidarbha totally is too hot. How you will manage this problem being a science and technology people? Somebody says you can use the umbrella. Yes, it's common, very obvious, known technology, known phenomena since our ancestors they are using. It's not a permanent solution to technical problem. Somebody says you can use the helmet or attach small fan to that umbrella. Is solution. It's a mere jugaad, means just mere arrangement of knowledge. But one of the engineering college from Telangana has filed cooling cap. What is this? Somebody has developed new technology to tackle the problem. They can save the people from hot summer because the cap is giving cooling effect to their head. What is this? New technology. new invention. So during you may get during discussion also you can solve some problems. That's an intellectual property. So simply we can say any idea that arises from human mind or product of human creation is called intellectual property. I hope you are getting clear idea. Let us see one example. You know the blind people. They are using stick, लकड़ी लेते हैं चलते हैं. Smart लकड़ी ले फिर चल रहे हैं. But how much they can walk? Every just few yards they have to put their stick again and again. To solve this problem, nor Bata, nor Puma, nor Adidas thought. One of the Australian company thought to give the smart shoes. By making use of ultrasonic sensor, they can detect the obstacles up to 4 meters away. What is this? New invention, technology, developed for the blind people. So somebody thought they solved the problem. So there are many problems in the farmer. Why can't you try? Why can't you solve? Why can't you give the innovative ideas? So you know one of the flower, Mova flowers. The botanical name is Maduka longifolia. Mova means that it's a tree that flowers were earlier known for the production of liquor, but Dr. PC from Pharmacy College of Nagpur has developed cold drinks that is called Mova drinks out of that. Surprisingly, people like the taste of that. What is this new technology or new invention? And now he can sell in the market and Mova cold drinks. What is this new technology, new composition? These are the simple inventions of technology. Let us see what is the background of intellectual property. प्रॉपर्टी कहते आपके मन में आता है मेरे पास घर है, गाड़ी है, बंगलो, इवन कार, इवन लैंड इन my native, so I'm rich enough. But there is another kind of intellectual property which we cannot touch. That is creations of your mind. That's called intellectual property. In that we are having patents, designs, trademark, copyright, even trade secret. Let us see one by one. I told you IP means product of mind, but how to define that? Definitions must. So IP can be defined as intangible creations of human intellect having commercial value, asset like any other form of property. We know petrol and diesel is not a renewable source of energy. So somebody among you is developing biodiesel. So any company like Reliance, HP, Bharat Petroleum can approach to you for licensing and you are getting money out of that. Therefore, IP is an asset like any other form of property. Or as I told you, if you're developing herbal medicine cancer, any pharma company, any herbal company can approach you for licensing if you are really formulations treating the patient. And you are getting money out of that. Therefore, again, IP is an asset like any other form of property. IP is called as an exclusive right. For example, somebody filing patent from your college or institute, the right is that person. Only he can exercise the power of that, not his family members like spouse, children, or parents. Therefore, we can say IP is also a negative right because other person in the family cannot exercise. Only patentee can. Again, IP is called as an territorial right. Once you are applying for the patent, the right is with the in India. If you are applying, your right is in India because it is territorial rights. If you want to claim your composition, medicine in the foreign countries like USA, Japan, Germany, Sri Lanka, or any other country, you are supposed to file your application in those countries. But how? There are two ways to file your application in the foreign country. One is called PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty. Another is called Conventional Application as per Section 135 of the Patent Act. So that you are getting your right in the foreign country also. Again, IP is called as a licensable right. Pfizer company has developed license. Pfizer company has developed vaccines, but they have given license to the Serum Institute of Pune for more production. It means if you are getting patents, you can license to anyone whom you want. depend upon the royalty, how much you are deserve for that. Now, what is patent? Exclusive, monopoly privilege or right granted by the government of India to the patentee. Now, who is patentee? The person who is applying for the patent at the time of application, he was the applicant, but after the getting the patent, he was called as a patentee, and the right is given to him for 20 years from the date of filing or priority, not to keep it and file record for commercial gain. When you are disclosing everything clearly, then only getting the right. What is fully particularly? As I told you, shampoo composition. So you have to disclose which kind of medicine plants you have selected, geographical indication, geographical location from where you are selected, which part of the country, whether you are taking NBA permission, what part of that selecting, what is the composition, what are the other experiments you are adding, and what are the clinical trials for that. All details you have to explain. That is called fully particularly. If you are not giving details, you are getting objection from the government of India and simply delaying it the patent. Therefore, you have disclose everything clearly. Then only you are getting the right as a territorial right, not worldwide. Now, all the B Farm fellow, M Farm fellows are doing project in the final year, and PhD fellows are doing research. B Tech fellow doing project, M Tech fellow doing project, but PhD fellow doing research. While doing your research or a project, you should understand whether your research topic, whether your project topic is qualifying the definition of invention or simply you're going to the discoveries. Discovery means finding or exploring something already there in nature, and discovery as such, no technical effect. For example, I am taking my bee farm project to isolate an microorganism from effluents of Reddy's laboratory of Hyderabad. I know the effluents have some microbes, but I'm developing the process of isolation of microorganism by using pH, temperature, media. All I'm changing, developing something new process or improved process. So I can get patent for that, but not for the microorganism which I have isolated because just I discovered it. It's not an invention. But genetically, if I'm modifying that microorganism by using genetic in technology, then genetically modified microorganism, I can get patent for that. Like, for example, oil-eating bacteria, which are genetically modified microorganisms. So, I want to say that discovery is not patentable, but inventions are patentable. Then what is invention? How your research topic, project topic is qualifying the definition or not? How you will check? Let us see what is invention. जब भी प्रोफेसर प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए बच्चों को टॉपिक देते हैं, प्लीज सेलेक्ट 3 or 2, आई विल फाइनलाइज वन. दिस इज नॉट द वे टू सेलेक्ट द प्रोजेक्ट टॉपिक. We should know what is prior public domain problems in the own field if you are pharmaceutical, botany, geology, mechanical, electrical, which field you are, what are the problems, how we can solve that. So invention means new product or process. ATM machine is a new product, it was not there earlier. Herbal composition for the cancer, it's a new product. Shampoo is a product, process of making that as shampoo is a process. Again, this product or process should be useful to all. Something novel means it should not be the public knowledge. Non-obvious and not in the public knowledge before the filing that. Then your research topic or project topic is qualifying the definition of invention. It's qualifying the definition of invention. You can go for the patent filing. Then, if it is an invention, yes, if it's an invention, then you can file the patent. But हा? 10 मिनिटं बसा म्हणा, 10 मिनिटं संपलं. हा? मग इथे येऊन बस म्हणा, इथे बस म्हणा. 10 मिनिटं बसू. इथं बसू दे ना, काही नको. So, if your research topic is qualifying this 5 criteria, then we can say your research topic is qualifying the definition invention, you can go for the patent filing. But granting of the patent is again with respect to section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. Section 3 and 4 relates to non-patentable inventions like method of treatment, plant as such, animal as such, we are not going to patent. So please read that section. I cannot go in detail because it's an awareness program and it's online. It takes much time to go with section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. See, we take our pet to walk on the road. We think our flat, our house should not be polluted or contaminated. We take it on the road or other side. Why? Why can't you use this device which got patent for that? Somebody has developed technology to solve that problem. It's a problem. So somebody is solving that, the dog waste catcher and holder device. Again, another example is, you see, we catch the fishes by throwing the net in the ocean, sea, pond, or river. But somebody has developed enhanced fish attractor device. Again, new technology. When I was in the year 1979, I was not knowing sharpener, but somebody has invented. My children are using since LKG onwards. What is this? Invention of technology. Again, in the school level, in the general knowledge, we have studied who has invented this. ये बल्ब यदि इन्वेंट नहीं होता तो हम साईं बाबा के दिए लगा के ही अभी भी रह सकते थे, लेकिन somebody has invented that. Again, we know who has invented aeroplane. We know who has invented vaccines. We know who has invented this. Can anyone tell me now? This device was in the public domain since 1876. When British were ruling our country, they used to talk by using this telephone even in the foreign countries, even though someone thought to give the mobile phone. What was necessary? Why they thought to give the mobile phone? Because this device is having some disadvantage. I cannot change from my cabin to my dean's cabin or my principal's cabin because it is connected in my cabin. If I want to dial 10 times घुमाना पड़ता है, very hectic and time consuming. To solve the problem, to solve this problem, we got new technology, new day. This I can dial here 9989294 numbers, but again I cannot change from my cabin to my dean's cabin. To solve this problem, we got an cordless phone, which was long. We can take in the hall, kitchen, ड्राइंग आप सीरियल में देखते होंगे, मूवी में देखते होंगे. Again, I cannot take that cordless from the hello. नहीं 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 मैं लेक्चर में हूँ ना नहीं. So if cordless phone आया तो I cannot take in the meeting, nor in the car, nor in the plane. To solve this problem, we got the mobile phone in India in the year 2000 or 2002, but only incoming, outgoing were there. No video calling facility. Simple Nokia, very heavy. 5,000 rupees was the price. Now 1,000, 2,000 up to 41 lakh. What is this? Improvement of technology from AGBL to mobile. From this example, I want to make you understand that getting patent is not difficult. Even you can improve your compositions, process, product, machines, devices, you can get the patent for that. So I'll put another example to make you understand. Paracetamol composition. If you are taking your paracetamol after breakfast, it takes 6 to 8 hours to reduce full fever. So I'm being a farmer, I'm developing pharmaceutical composition for treatment of fever comprising so and so, wherein I'm able to reduce your fever within 5 minutes. As soon as I put on my tongue, my fever is gone. What is this? New composition within fraction of seconds, your fever reduced. You are showing more efficacy. So you are getting patent even for improved formulation. Already paracetamol there, but you are showing more good results. You can get improvement technology. I'll got another example to make you understand. X-ray machine था, डॉक्टर कहते थे you are having some infection, they used to treat us. But now we got improved medical device that is called CT scan machine. Doctor can say you are in 5 score of infection, 6 score of, what is this? Improvement in technology. Again, new device or new machine which we can getting exact results. So improvement technology also patentable. ब्लूटूथ पहले नहीं था, अभी आया. What is this invention or technology? See, Nano Car, Hyundai, Tata Motors, Mahindra, all got patent and they are new technologies. See, drones, smart card were not there earlier. Now we are having some new tools. So, patent is given for the technology that is product or process, novel, inventive, and capable of initial application and should not attract section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. So let us see another kind of intellectual property called designs. What are designs? You can see beautiful design of this iron box. You can see this is a new design. You can see my stapler design. These are the two pens of different kind of designs. So anything which looks beautiful, that's called design. You can check your mobile design, your goggle design, spectacle, brush, flash, mobile. All the designs are different. Car design, even handle design. Mere functional or technical feature of the article is not a design. How it looks, that's a design. Term is 10 years. It can be extended for 5 years. Total 15-year terms for the designs. See, beautiful cup set, spoon set, sofa set, chair set, tiffin set. You can get that's all designs are different. And term is 10 years. It can be extended for 5 years. Total 15 years term for the designs. लेक्चर मध्ये बोल ना. हा बोल लेक्चर मध्ये. हा बोल. काय माहित नाही बाबा कोण खाल्लं. फ्रीज मध्ये बघ सगळे डबे बघ एक एक डबा काढले नाही फ्रीज मधला. कसं काय झालं. अरे डबा ते घरी आहे नाही की मी आहे ना. नाही आहे का नाही आहे. आलूची पीस दिले तर करून घे आता. हम्म, मग बनवून घे आता काय करतेस. हा हा तू भरलीस लेकरला झोपताळा बघ. भरलीस आणि ते भरलीस लेक्चर जेवताळा संध्याकाळी. हम्म, ठीक आहे मी लेक्चरमध्ये बोलतो. ठीक आहे. सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन. सो design term is 10 years. It can be extended for 5 years. Total 15 years term for the designs. See, this was the machine which was not there before Corona. During Corona visa, the design was registered as a new design. See, these are the different kind of designs. First time those who are given this design, they got benefit of this also. You know this capsule, this parasol is round in nature. So new designs. Textile design, jewelry designs, earrings, bangles, watches, all the designs you can see. See how many earrings are there in the market. How many bindiyas are there? How many watches designs are there? How many Mangalsutra, curtain, bedsheet, all if anything which looks beautiful, that's a design. If it is not in the public domain, you can file for that. You can see daily consumer product, office bag, wallet, comb, scissor, you can see all the designs. You can see that comb, my comb is in this design. See all the surface pattern of the bottle is all are different. See sharpener, daily nature, pencil, peacock and parrot facing. Again you can see these are the different kind of designs. See designs. See new designs. This design was developed by one of the student of National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. You are also doing project in the final year, but you might have going to the libraries, copying the senior thesis, but changing data. If I'm working on medicinal plants of Riga, say Tinctoria, same feature you are using and you're using for the Amorphous compound letters. So you're just changing the medicinal plant, same parameters you're carrying, but nothing new. If you are able to do something new, if it is composition, go for the patent. Process, go for the patent. If product, go for the patent. If you are claiming design, book if you are writing, go for the copyright. If design, go for the design. So this design was developed for the coolie people who are carrying out stone, bricks, sand, cement directly on the head, and they may have neurological disorders, back pain, disc pain. To solve that problem, the developed this design. You can see it is not on the head. It is having some gap. Most of the weight is understood. Again, distribution of weight. New design for the coolie people. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called semiconductor integrated circuit layout designs. If you are able to develop original novel layout design, you can get registered in the government of India. Earlier, we used to get Taiwan chips, China chips in our hardware. Now, if you are able to develop, you can register in the government of India Term is 10 years. Office is located at Delhi. You can file online or offline. You know what is trademark or brand name? Visual symbol, which may be a word, name, brand, numerical or combination of colors to indicate the source of the good, to distinguish from the goods of the use, like Tata, Bata, Bicon of Bangalore, Diz Laboratories, Santa Bata Hyderabad, Sipla, many are there. It advertises their company, protect the innocent public from buying the goods of second quality. If you go to a mall, Adidas shoes is more than 4,000 rupees. If you go to roadside, 200 because you're changing spelling or markup pattern. Can anyone tell me Pond's powder since how long you're using? Somebody say PONDS, somebody says POUNDS, somebody says POND apostrophe S. Many of us don't know exact name of the company. If you don't know, they will be cheating the public. Therefore, trademark is a must, and you should know that. R with encircle is a registered trademark. TA means you have applied for the mark yet to get permission from the government of India. Duration is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years subject to uses like Tata, Bata, how long they're in the market. There are different trademarks, collective mark, certification marks, taglines, slogans, shapes. Dil mange more is a kind of trademark. Term is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years subject to uses like many are there like Bicana Bangalore, HDFC, how they are in the market, Tata, Bata. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called geographical indication, GI tag. Place name, used to identify source of origin, quality, reputation, or other kinds of products like Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk saree, Kolhapuri chappal, Agra petha, Nagpur oranges. Term is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years, subject to uses. Please keep in mind that for patent, design, trademark, anyone can file, combine with the others. But in GI, group of people who involve the manufacture of particular product, they can. Mysore silk saree, the people of Mysore who involved in the manufacture, they can. Rasgulla, Bengal and Oriya. Ratlavi Sev, Bhujia, what is it again? Bikneri Bhujia, all they got GI for that. Agra Petha, they got GI. Makrala Marg Rajasthan, Katputli of Rajasthan, Bagh Prints of Madhya Pradesh, Bengali Patachitra, Chereli paintings, Bidri Veer, Worli paintings, Magai Pan, Devanali Pamelo, Apimidi Mango, Kashmiri Saffron, Sailicha Biarku. So anything special area, you can find GI for that. It may be agricultural, manufactured, original occurring, manufactured, whatever may be. If it is new, not in the particular. Tirupati Laddu also got the GI for that. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called copyright. Copyright is a bundle of right. It restricts unauthorized copying and reproduction of an original expression, literary work, movie, music, and painting. The term is life of the author plus 60 years. There are many singers, no more, but still they're getting royalty for that. Many authors are there, they are writing the books, they're still getting the royalty for that because term is like that. For example, if you are writing books, novel, story, poem, autobiography, or project or thesis, you can get protection under section literary of work. If you are doing artistic work under section 2C, dramatic work under section 2H, musical works 2P, sound recordings 2XX, cinematography 2H. So each kind of work is getting registered in the government of India. Therefore, no one can copy your work. So the fees of filing the copyright is given in the website. Please see the website for that. Even though for literary, dramatic, musical, artistic, 500 per work, artistic 2000 per work, sound recordings 2000 per work, and cinematography 5000 per work. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called trade secret. Some information, data. If you don't want to get the patent, you can keep secret like survey method, manufacturing process, experimental results, chemical formula, recipe, financial strategy, or calendar. You can keep secret also, that is called trade secret. You know, since your childhood, we are drinking Coca-Cola, Mazda, Sprite, but we don't know formula of that because that company has kept secret. We are using pizza. Domino's pizza tastes fluffy. Why? We don't know the process of making the dough and the what ingredients they are adding. We are not aware of that. Therefore, that's called as a trade secret. So, if you are having anything secret, you can keep secret or you can get the patent for that. It's left to you. Even protection of plant varieties also, but not under the Patent Design Trademark Act. It has to dealt separately under the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001. If you are able to develop new varieties like basmati rice, kalamuch, jaya, pusa, padma, many varieties are there, genetically modified also. If you are able to new varieties, you can get registered in the government of India, but not under the Patent Design Trademark Act. Bidders can file, farmers can, university, even agriculture university can also file for that. Term is 15 years for annual crop, 18 years for the trees and vines. Now you learned all about the intellectual property, how to convert your invention idea into invention. How now let us see one example that how to protect your product or process with a different kind of IPR. You know, very famous company Apple. This logo isn't trademark. They got protection no one can copy. Overall design they got no one can copy. Inside this, we are having circuit somebody has copied. The display between your institute to my institute is an output. There's a technology we can get patent for that. So single product, they got everything. Therefore, their price is more than 1 lakh. Mobile, laptop. That is power of intellectual property. Because if you are protecting in the market, Sony, Samsung, both are in the market, so they are getting protection for that. No one can copy the technology. Let us see another example to make you understand. We don't know what is the content of that, what is the formula of this. That's again trade secret. Coca-Cola in this fashion, in this style isn't trademark. Choti, Buddy, Fir Choti, Fir Buddy. It's a design of the bottle. No one can. The machine from which I'm manufacturing the bottle is a technology you can get patent for that. Text database you can get the copyright. So single product, we are protecting all. Therefore, they are in the market. No one can copy. You can see your mobiles, Apple, Samsung, Reliance, all got patent design trademark. So it's all about the intellectual property rights. Now let us see what are the career opportunities for the students if they are listening to me. If you want to come in the government of India as an examiner of patent and design, you should have qualification like MSc Chemistry, Biotech, Microbiology, Physics, or any branch of engineering, depend upon the advertisement and vacancy. There are two papers. One is objective, another descriptive. If you qualify, then what? You are getting selected. If you want to come as an examiner of trademark, G and copyright, you should have law background, lawyer, LLB. If you want to work in patent agent, any science graduate, BSc, BCA, any science, BDS, MBBS, any science graduate can apply for that. Two papers, one is objective, another descriptive. If you qualify, Viva. If you qualify all, you are getting one number from the government of India that is called patent agent number. You can practice. You have worked in the litigations. You can work in this court, IPSL, IPR policy of central government, state government, means company also can work. There are many IPR firms in Delhi, Mumbai, Chandigarh, many places, Bangalore, Kolkata, Nagpur. You can see in the Google. I cannot take the name being a government servant. So you can work there also. This is all about the career opportunity for the students. Now you learned all. Now let us see how to file your technology in the government of India and who can file. Any person, natural, startup, company, individual, foreign, anyone can file. There is no age bar limit nor education limit. Anyone can file the print application. How to file? Online or offline? You are from northern side, Delhi office is to file the offline. Online you can file. You should have e-signature or digital for that. These are the jurisdiction to file, but examination may carry out throughout the country. Documents required are covering letter, indicating the list of documents, Form 1 for applicants, all the detail, Form 2 for the provisional complete application, Form 3 if you are filing in the foreign countries, then only, Form 5 to add your friend's name as an inventor, Form 18 for request for examination. If you are filing online, pay the fees online, offline, pay the fees offline. The fees is given in the website 1,600 for natural person, 8,000 for others up to 30 pages. Per page, fees increase. Per claim more than 10, fees increases. So please see the website. You are from teaching institute, you are having 80% fee condition. These are online filing fees. If you want to file offline, 10% more extra you are supposed to pay for that. Request for examination fees is 4,000 individual, 20,000 for the others. You are having chance to file expedite examination as per 24B. Within 1 year, you can get the patent for that. Form required is Form 18A. The person for filing PCT application, if they are choosing India as an ISA, IPA, they can, or applicant is startup, or as per 2019 rule, one of the applicant in the group is ladies, then our government institute can also file for that. Fees is 8,000 for individual, 60,000 for the others. If you want to know more about the IPR, patent, design, trademark, G, and copyright, please visit www.ipindia.go.in. Then you'll come to know all. If you want to search online, comprehensive e-filing to file the patent application. For patents, you should have e-signature or digital, trademark only digital, for design only digital, for copyright, no need of any signature. If you want to search with the technology, you want to go to the public search. Regacia tintoria composition for psoriasis. Check whether it is not available. Amberplus Commanders for swine so check. Mosquito repellent composition check. AI based device you can check because public search. You can go to the Google patent. You can go to the USO patent, EPO patent, WIPO patent, or pay database also like pay pat seal. You can go and search whether technology new or not. If it is new, go for the patent filing. Act, manuals, guidelines, everything is available in the research. So please make a note of www.ipindia.go.in. With this, I put a full stop to my presentation. Any questions will take now. Thank you. Please share the feedback link in the chat box so that they'll get the certificate after 1 week.
Sure, sir. I'll share in the chat box.
Any
One
question, tell
question.
them to put in chat box or they can directly ask to me.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Gurditta. I'm working as an assistant professor in Guru Govind Singh College of Pharmacy. I
Okay.
want to ask if any there is a product, marketed product, then can we patent it again for a second disease or alignment which have its a positive effect?
No, sir, because second medical use of a known component is not patentable
Okay, okay.
because the composition should be new. Second use of a known component is not patentable. You are supposed to because all use is already known. Just composition are components are known. Composition known. You are claiming second use of that. This is not patentable.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, as you have shared about the career opportunities,
Yes.
like examiner of patent and design, examiner of trademarks. So when these forms are get opened,
See,
once
on
a while or
yes,
depend
you can
upon.
see our employment news or our website. Recently, we have recruited 542 people as an examiner patent and design. Recently, they are, got training. Almost all only 70 people are remaining. Even UPSC advertisement or employment news, even website. These are the three places where you can come to know where you are advertising on. Since on three, lot of many times advertise came, but many of us not knowing. And patent agent every year we are announcing in the month of July, August, September. In January, every January we are having exam for that. Any science graduate can apply for that.
Any science graduate can apply.
B
And
farm
there are two
is
papers, right?
there are two paper objective, descriptive. You can see the question paper in the website or in the Google, and you can have Viva also for that. You have to qualify both the papers separately. Then Viva, then you are getting one number from the government of India, and you are working as a patent agent for that.
Okay, that's great, sir.
Any other question? Many
And the
visitors are
question
waiting,
was
therefore
from
I
the
concluded.
student
Please
only, no? Can yes, sir?
many public people are waiting for some questions for queries. Therefore, I have taken very short at the end. So,
Okay, okay.
as many are waiting in the queue to meet me.
No, sir, it was really
Hmm.
wonderful session. And the insights shared by our speaker have enriched all of us, students, researchers, and faculty alike. The real life examples, the vast technical expertise, and deep understanding of patent ecosystem have made this session both engaging and impactful. So, as we come to the end of this enlightening and highly informative workshop, I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to everyone present here. Today's session has truly deepened our understanding of IPR, patent filing, and procedure. And once again, I'm very thankful to you, sir, for sparing your valuable time. And I'm confident that knowledge gained today will greatly benefit all the participants in their academic, research, and professional journey. Once again, thank you so much, sir, for sparing your valuable time and giving the insightful sessions on this. So you are mute. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, tell me.
Actually, you were saying something.
No, no,
You were
not.
muted.
Yeah, yeah. No, no. Please, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Circulate the feedback link to all. It takes time to get the certificate because my staff is on the leave, so it takes 1 week to issue the certificate.
Okay.
And fill the T9
Definitely, sir. I'll share in the group.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Have a
Thank you
good
so much. Thank you, sir.